Hello guys. Today we'll be checking out the market movement, that is market prediction for next week. We will check both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So as well as that, I'll be sharing some tips for the beginners who are in option trading. So some tips in the sense, how can you protect the capital instead of losing everything for the decay. This is a Dow Jones daily time frame chart. As you can see, it's in a bearish trend. So one more thing is, whenever market is trying to recover, there's a sell-off coming. So it's in a bearish trend. As you can see, whenever market is trying to recover, so it's a lower low and lower highs. So same goes with Nasdaq as well. As you can see, the same trend follows in Nasdaq as well. So whenever it trying to recover, there's more and more sell off. So one thing is, it might recover up to Tuesday, and Wednesday evening we have a Fed meeting coming up for interest rate hike. So if at all it's around 50 to 75, we can expect some recovery from both Nasdaq and Dow Jones. So it will kind of bottom out. But if at all it's 100 bps point, so we may expect further fall. So let's hope for the best. So we can expect a small recovery up to Wednesday, and depends on the decision whether it's 50 or 75. So it's kind of bullish to neutral. So anything around 100 will be bearish. So it will depend how Fed meeting goes on Wednesday. So I don't recommend holding any options for Wednesday, on Wednesday. That is, I don't recommend any open naked buying in call or put for this expiry. So Wednesday night we will get the decision. So depending on that, US market will move. So we will we will open with either gap up or a big gap down. Anything can happen. So it may be sideways also. So I don't recommend any naked buying. One thing you can do is, you can go for long straddle. But a problem with long straddle is, it will be on Thursday. Opens flat, DK will be there, and we can lose a good amount of premium as well. So that's the issue with long straddle. Bank Nifty doesn't look worse, unlike Nifty. So as you can see, it was kind of a bullish trend. So bullish trend, a slight trace back. So we can expect some recovery in Bank Nifty as well. So let's see. So this is the swing low. So this is the swing low, 40,400. So if at all, so this is the swing low for Bank Nifty. So if at all it breaks this swing low, we can expect a further down move. So as of now, SGX is indicating a slight gap up start. So let's wait and watch on Monday. So if at all it opens somewhere around 40,900, 950 or 100, we can expect a small up move. So if at all, if any up move comes, or we can expect a sideway market up to Wednesday. So Wednesday there's a decision on the interest rate. So up to that, we can expect a sideways market as well. And if it breaks this, we can expect a bearish move. Or if it's up move, we can expect a sideways movement. So only after the Fed decision on interest rate, we can expect something, if it breaks the all-time high. So that's the thing. So only after that we can expect, not in this expiry. So maybe upcoming for next expiry we can expect. So if the Fed decision comes out well, so inflation has reduced, but things are brewing up that they might go for 100 bps increase in the interest rate. So that's a significantly bearish sign for the market. So let's wait and watch. So let's check with Nifty. Nifty is kind of a bearish sentiment. So as you can see, entire 5 days gain was wiped out in 2 days. So that's how Nifty is going. So it's around 750, 17,500. So we can expect a gap of start on Monday. So same goes with Nifty as well. Uh, we, it might move sideways up to Wednesday. So be careful with the naked option buying. So DK will be there. India VIX is up, but DK might be there. So let's check with option chain. Uh, so as you can see, so what 17,000 change in OI is more. So apart from that, 17,500 has a good change in open interest. So that is on downside. 17,500 has a good change in OI. So it basically signifies a support at 17,500. So on upper side, so so on upper side, it's 17,800. Yeah, 17,800 has highest change in OI. So apart from that, 7,900 and 77. So it goes on for on every 100 strike. The change in OI is little reducing. So for 17,800, change in OI is more. So 17,800. So somewhere here, yeah, this. So let's not jump to any conclusion that it will be a up move. If at all it opens in gap up. So let's wait and watch. I'm expecting a sideways movement until Wednesday. So once the decision is out, we can expect a huge gap down or gap up. So anything can happen over there. And one more thing, the tips which I thought of sharing is, which I do regularly is, usually the retail traders or the new beginners, what they tend to do is they go for the out of the money options. Looking at the premiums, they try to buy something out of the money. So one thing you can do is, I'll just show you example. This is trading around 376. So if at all, I'm not saying you have bought. So if at all you have bought this for 300, and you will be in some profit. So just like that, you can't go by. You would have bought that uh, option after checking some data which may be convincing for you. So I'm telling in that way. I'm not recommending just to go buy some random call or put. So if at all you are bought and you are in some good profit, one thing you can do is see, you would have bought for 300. As you can see, just for the one lot, maximum loss is 7,500. It may show as unlimited profit, but the thing is, this is the main thing to save the capital. So as you can see, it's showing minus 7,500. The thing is, 41,000 will be somewhere here. So to be in profit zone, Bank Nifty should expire somewhere here. That is 41,200, 41,300. If at all for 2 days it will start moving on the sideways. So the thing is, your premium will start decaying, and your profit will come down, as well as it will start showing losses also if it goes sideways. So one thing you can do is, if as you can see, loss will also be more at 7,500. So one thing you can do is, you can go and sell a 200 points further, that is 41,000. So you can go sell this one 41,200. So what happens is, as you can see, on expiry day you will just lose minus 150. So that's how it works, and maximum profit will be around 4,800. So you can see how you can save the capital in this kind of strategies. So if you are in profit, you can just go sell a 100 or 200 or 300 different strike over that. A small margin is required for that, but it won't be much, as it's not a naked selling. So that's how you can protect the capital. So if at all, if bank nifty comes down to anything, any further thing, so your maximum loss will be around 160, but profit will be around 4,800 on upper side. So that's how you can save up your capital for further trading, or else your capital will be in high risk if at all, if you do naked buying in both the index Nifty and Bank Nifty, especially Bank Nifty, where volatility is too much. So that's how you can protect your capital. That's how I am surviving from 2 to 3 years in this share market. So that's it for today. I hope you got some knowledge on how we can trade in options. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.